Hello, 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 hello. Christ. That looks ugly. Oh, that does not look good on the right side of the screen. Hello. Hello, David. I don't like that. We'll do that. We still gotta make a stream music playlist. Can we 1v1 in your private? I'm gonna do some dev work right now. I need to get some stuff done. Dude, what is this? Dude, we need to do a stream playlist. This isn't working. I don't really want to listen to that. We need like this Mario music, bro. This is fire. What game am I working on? I'm gonna do Bobby Dimble again. Get this done before we start anything else, but I would like to continue Bob Mob. I think that'll be the next major project. Say cheese. Why am I saying cheese? Dude, why is my chat all screwed up again? What is this, bro? Why is it aligned like that? Oh, it's so hideous. I'm not saying that. Can I get mod right now for a few minutes? Sure. You're... Yeah, I trust you not to abuse it. There you go, your mod. Make sure y'all like the stream, guys. Make sure y'all like the stream. Cap. I had a mod earlier. And he asked for me to remove his mod. Let's close Discord. I hate how the chat's like this. I think before we do anything, we need to fix this chat because it's so ugly. This chat overlay. Oh, man. We can use this. Ooh. Hold on now. Is it fine? I have my Junkbot friend invite the owner of the Bomb Revival group. Sure. I don't know. Is the... You can invite anyone to the server. You have a joke? What's your joke? I want this text right here. You guys see this? See this text here? I want this to display under the username. I don't like how it doesn't do that. That looks ugly, right? What do evil chickens lay? What do evil chickens lay? Deviled eggs. They do. They do. What is any of this? I don't know what any of that is. What'd I just do? I don't know what that did. Did it do anything? No. I have not a clue what that did. I want to find a good theme here. Let's find a good theme. Where was widget themes at? I want to browse more. If I can find them. Hold on. All widgets. Oh, browse themes. There we go. We found it. Okay. I want to go Fyra and find one that has a good chat box. This is what we have now, no? Oh no, that's... I don't like that because the chat's not super condensed. Cintiq. The Watermelon Perry and told Melons to join, but they wanted to play dead knockout and said they were too lazy. Hello, Snowy. We have 8 people in here already, dude. We haven't even done anything. Oh my god, wait. We've been here for 7 minutes. we haven't done anything in 7 minutes. That's not great. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna grab my phone so I can read chat and I'll check tab every second. Okay, I got my phone. I need a second monitor so I can read chat. Zilla is the GOAT. Yes, you are. I don't think you can GOAT status yourself though. I'm not gonna lie. But I'll GOAT status you. What do you call a fish with no eye? What do you call a fish with no eye? Does this have a chat box? No, that's not one I like. Dude, why is it so hard to find a chat box that I like? I just want the basic chat box, but I want it to be not crap. Grr. Chat. I don't see chat. This is making me mad. Okay, we want a chat box. Make sure it's there. What should we sort by? Most popular, maybe? That's almost not horrible. You know what? We're gonna install this. We're just gonna get the chat box. I just want the chat box. Oh crap! Oh, it's gonna charge me. Oh man, it's gonna charge me. Damn it. Okay, well, we'll just do this for now. Yo, is that fine? Are you guys fine with the chat like that for now? Okay. Well, yeah, we'll keep it like this for now. I don't really like it, but it's whatever. That should hopefully be fine. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. So we can actually get some stuff down here. Let's see where we left off. We didn't do these moving platforms ever. So, I think I'm gonna redo moving platforms. The way I'm gonna have these moving platforms work is there's a positions folder here that stores each position, and then this is the actual platform. So the positions, size doesn't matter, but moving platform. All right, let's get this started. We asserted that it's a model. We want to get our positions folder as well. So since it's atomic, we'll do. Oh, the screen is not supposed to be black. Yeah, thank you. Good call. Thank you. Good call. Thank you. Good call. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My bad. My bad, y'all. God bless chat. Okay. I'll go for this again then, because I didn't realize you guys could. Yeah, W comms. I didn't realize you guys couldn't see what's going on here. We have the positions folder. It just marks where the moving platform is going to go next, so we can have it go to 3 separate positions if we want. We literally just name the part, that position, and it's going to go there. That's what I want to happen. And this is the actual platform that's going to move around. So we need to first, here we'll do. We'll just do it as a local variable here. So we're gonna want to check for our positions folder. You're hungry. Should probably eat something then. Yes, you can. You can always tell me something. Okay, we have our positions folder. I didn't change back to display, huh? Right. Please watch a video, Mickey Mouse. What? It's sad. Why would I watch a Mickey Mouse video? I'm not 5. Your grandma died when you were 2 months old? Oh, dude, that's sad. That sucks. Rest in peace, man. Shout out all the grandmas out there. Alright, we're gonna want to cycle through each position. We've done this before, so we're gonna load up Nearly Impossible Obby just so we don't have to do as much thinking work with our brains here. Moving platform. We're gonna do it from scratch for sake of the stream, but oh yes, I made a positions table. That's what I did. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna want to create a positions table up here. You're a smart guy. I'm sure you are. Mm. Can you shout out my grandma in your game? I don't know about putting it in my game, but shout out to your grandma in the stream, I guess. What? 1 second, chat. Hold on. We have something of great importance going on. Off stream here. Alright, let's continue. 9 people? Oh my god, look at that. 9 people. Hold on, let's get a... Can we get a stream, viewer count up on the stream? That's a thing I can do, right? Right here, there we go. Got our viewer count. Let's see how many people we can hit. Greatest basketball player ever? Stephen Curry. That's gonna be a hot take, I know. I know. Well, dude, he made the GOAT movie. He made the GOAT movie. He has to be the GOAT. What the hell? I'm trying to order food. Apparently, Panera Bread is closed. He did the 3-1 comeback? I guess. But he made the GOAT movie, bro. He made the GOAT movie. One sec, guys. We'll get back to this in literally like 3 seconds. What the Bob Mob just had a lick of Stephen Curry? Bro, hold on. Yo, what's up? What's up, Harsville? Favorite streamer? Did I appreciate it? Do I know about VitMe? I don't. Go to a YT search. VitMe. Okay. Let's Google whatever it is. I'm assuming this guy. He makes funny videos. Guys, are we gonna watch a shorts compilation? I don't know if I can. Oh, Jesus Christ. I need like a face cam. I need like a face cam to do reaction content. Because I don't think I can I don't think I can just sit on the video and talk and react. I'm pretty sure I need like a face cam for it to be like a proper reaction video. Otherwise I'm gonna get DMCA'd out my freaking mind. So I don't think I can watch it on stream, but I can watch it off stream. At least until I get a face cam. Then we can watch stuff on stream. Yeah. You're good, you're good. Apparently Panera Bread is closed. That is crazy. The Bob Mob, Junk Bots, and Watermelon will take over? Dude, they will. We have a little coalition going. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, we need a body gyro instance. We're gonna throw this in here. This will be at the start. And same with our body position instance. I had the find statement in the old version, but that it really shouldn't be ever find it because we're creating it under here and it's connected to Trove component. We probably, you know what? We don't even need to put this under the component. We're really upgrading this code here. Get the model. Back, but okay. Yeah, at least thank you for having the stream open. I appreciate all of you guys being here. I know I've said that a few times, but I'm gonna say it again. I really do appreciate it. It's just amazing. We'll just set that to do. I probably shouldn't. I should probably rename the variable there so it's not position, not position, but. We also want to set. If not. Should be continue, not return. Um, I didn't want to talk because nobody's like, yeah, I was kind of like, tuned out of the stream because I was ordering food, or at least trying to. But we'll lock back in here now. We dropped in viewers at 10. Make the chat bigger. Oh, is that fine? I think that's fine. I really have to play a lot around with the streaming tools. What is that emoji? Is that a cat in a box? Some. That right. There we go. Okay, so now we've created this into a thread. Then we can do thread. It's resume, right? I don't use coroutines often. Here, let's resume. Yeah. So it's just thread.resume. What's good? What's good, KB Allen? We're making some moving platforms right now. Remember you? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, you know what? I have to pass the thread here. I did that wrong. It's coroutine.resume, and you pass the thread. You can't just take the thread and do resume. Was I playing Minecraft earlier? Yes, I was. I was playing Hypixel Skyblock. Now we're back on the dev grind. That's a hover thing we didn't do. It's at position 2. That's where we had it start from, right? I believe so. Yeah. What does mod even do? You can delete messages, time people out, ban them from the chat, I think. Is that moving? 1. Interesting. Any giveaways today? No, we won't do another until the weekend. Oops, I don't want to edit this here. I thought when you call coroutine resume, it continues to do it until coroutine yield is called. If I spam that though, it's gonna keep progressing, right? I don't even know. I'm actually lost here. I'm wondering where it's stopping at. Okay, so it made it there. So something is going wrong here. I think I understand. There we go. Okay, it's looping. It's looping. It's looping. Problem now is we can clearly see the platform is not moving. Can you edit the game with me? No, so you can't. I'm sorry. This is a solo project for me. If you have any input, though, just drop it in the chat. Why is it not moving? Is the question. Is it because the part exists on the server or something? I wonder if we need to move the actual platform instance to the client. So it's created on the client. Well, shouldn't do if platform, it doesn't matter. Let's see if that works. We're creating a new platform just entirely on the client. Well, okay. Some news. Our platform isn't there anymore. If you won't do anything, then there's no reason to bring you into the studio. Boom. Oh, there we go. See, it's moving now. See, I was right. The problem is that this platform was existing. The instance was created on the server. We just had to create the instance on the client. So now we have a platform that schmooze around. Look at that. We did it. You make the map. This is just a template game. There's no map until we actually pour all this code into an actual game, you know? What is 5 still too fast? Still too fast. It. Can I English? It feels still too fast. That was definitely not 5 seconds. Oh, wait, you know why? It's because I know it. I didn't change it. Alright, well now 5 feels way too long. I think we'll make the default 3. I also need to set that here. I don't need you to do that, Harzilla. Watching the stream is enough for me. I appreciate you watching. You don't need to do anything else. Hello, KB Allen. Hey, by the way, guys, make sure y'all like the stream, like the streams. Make sure you're subscribed too. Okay, well, moving platform's working. That's great. And I'm pretty sure we did that in like 1,000 less lines of code than our original version. Yeah, look at this, guys. 142 lines to make this stupid moving platform. And we just did it. We just did it in 98. So this is definitely written a whole lot better. This was something back in the day. It was definitely something. You don't understand any of this, but good job. Well, just know that I'm awesome and epic. And you are too. Appreciate it. I'll just keep the same thread. It doesn't really matter. I am like, I'm seeing something that would be a problem here. Remove your mod. You don't need. Okay, hold on. We're removing his mod. Can I do it from here? I can. Okay, your mod's removed. I don't know why you want it removed, but let's skip this. Okay. We're gonna change this here. It should still work fine. Can you have mod? Should we mod KBLN, guys? It looks like it's still working fine. Alright, KBL, and you're gonna get mod. We've been here long enough. We trust you. Don't abuse your power, please. Okay, well, I think that's good. It's good, guys, right? Moving platforms are made. I don't think we need to do anything else with them. And we can put as many positions as we want here. And it should work fine. Yeah, it's working completely fine. That's pretty good. I'm gonna make disappearing parts next. Let's call it disappearing part. These are gonna be your standard disappearing part you'll see in like the average easy obby. That just fades out when you touch it. How do you become verified on Roblox? There's a few ways to do that. I did it the developer way. You have to get like a certain amount of monthly active users. I don't remember what it is, but there's documentation on it if you just Google it. Hello, Snowy. Dude, this chat is so cooked. Why is everyone mod? Because everyone who's here is just an active user. I don't know, man. If you're active enough, I'll make you mod too, probably. Okay, well, don't delete random messages, KB. We did not need to delete hi. Snowy, you can say hi. XYZ. Oh wow, you guys are our friends. That's cool. He told him about you? Shout out KB Allen, bro. Helping the channel get out there. Oh, Loaf too. That's awesome. What are you making? Right now we're making disappearing parts. It's just like your standard disappearing part that you'll see in the average easy obby game. What's my favorite Roblox game? I guess right now, Rivals. I mean, I just kind of started playing that. It was honestly really fun. I never really played it until a few days ago when we did it on stream. Yeah, obviously you guys don't always have to be here. You guys got lives. I understand. Every second you are here, though, I am grateful for your support. I appreciate it a ton. Even if you just pop in. Yeah, weekends definitely better than weekdays. But I'm gonna try to do both. Anyways. How long have I been coding this? Like the framework? I don't know, since the first stream. Since the day before the first stream is when I started. It's not that long. I really only put a couple hours into it. My progress, yeah, I'll show off everything that we've gotten done. Do that in. I like to name this self now. This makes more sense to me. I don't play a lot on Roblox, honestly. Oh, we didn't even make it to spring part. I definitely spend more times making games than I do playing games. There's literally 0 delay between the reappearance. That's weird. It's an obby. It's an obby. It's an obby template, I should say. Like, this isn't a game itself. That reappears so quick now. Oh, you know why? It's because I didn't put it here. Okay, now it's gone for a second. Or not. When did I make like a popular game? I think well, my first popular game I would say is Chinese difficulty Charabi. The remastered version, which I think I did in 2020. I was so young when that happened. It's on my profile. How long did it take to blow up? Probably 2 weeks. It's completely dead now, but this is a fun game. Have you made horror games? No, I have not made horror games. Maybe someday. Yeah, I used this was all the way back in 2020, man. I think I was 13 years old, and I used my birthday money to advertise this. And it's really sucked because I got $100 Robux, right? But I got scammed out of 7,000 Robux. So I only had 3,000 Robux to work with. And then I ended up like doing a ton of like commissions working for other people just to get a little bit of Robux. And I kept putting money that this made back into ads until it eventually did good. Dude, I was lucky because I had like a couple of people donate Robux in this game. I had a donation board back then set up. And this obviously isn't what it looked like. I removed the donation board because frankly I don't need donations anymore. This is a remastered version. This is not what it looked like back in 2020. Let me tell ya, it looked a lot worse. This is super polished. This was such a fun game, man. Good times. Good times. Well, I need to continue with this. Should we make it disappear for 5 seconds? There we go. Let's add a couple constants for sake of configuration. One hour and 10 minutes. What am I using to code? It's called Visual Studio Code. And basically I just serve with Rojo and it transfers all of this over into my game. You used that before? For Unity? Yeah. Visual Studio Code is kind of like just the GOAT. You know, it's just the GOAT. It's the GOAT coding app. I like it better than Roblox Studio. Coding in Roblox Studio. I'm just more used to this because I use it for other things too. Like Roblox Studio, its code editor is fine now, honestly. It has a lot of tools, but I'm just used to Visual Studio. This is always base part anyway. Let's do that. I think that's cleaner. We'll probably polish this and add sound effects right now, but I think that's all we need for a basic disappearing part, huh? Unless we want to really go real advanced on it. And tween its size out and whatnot. We can do that. Let's make a really advanced disappearing part. For fun's easy now. Not work how I wanted it to. Oh, you know what? I don't think I even set this. I need to set that to true. I need to turn it on. There we go. Look at that. It tweens the part size out. And then when it reappears, oh, look at that. That's clean, guys. Is that not clean? Oh, I love that. That looks so nice. Y'all cannot lie, that's clean. Just that simple size tween added in. That's clean. What did I say? Loaf is good at rivals? Yeah, he was pretty good. He beat me. Now, we really want to go really all out. We can add sound effects. How do you get XP? Dude, I'm gonna be so real. I honestly don't know. It's a YouTube thing. This isn't something I did from my channel. It says XP cave. So you have 75 XP. Send live chat messages. I think that's all you do. You just send live chat messages, or you send super chats and super stickers, which please don't do. I don't even think you guys can because I don't have monetization enabled. But yeah. You just send messages and get XP, I guess. But there was also the issue that Neck had. I don't think Neck's in here right now, but he had an issue where it just wasn't giving him XP. Even though he was like super active. He was super active in Jet. Let's find a sound effect. Where did they move Toolbox to? Right there. Let's find like a pop sound. How do I get to... It changed. I want just a simple pop sound.
Good show! Charlie, good show!
Christ. Why is everyone mod? The only person who's mod here is KB, no? I guess a VR too, but VR's OG, dude. VR has to be mod. VR is the OG of OGs. He got so many people in here. Yes, you are here. You're the OG of OGs. This is what I was saying. I just said that. No. I didn't forget you. Yes, I know. I said that. I said you were mod. Said you were the OG of OGs. So you have to be mod. The middle, dude, it wasn't forgotten. Oh my god, I mentioned him. Come on now, guys. Come on. I definitely mentioned him. I don't know if I like that. It's not bad. Dude, you were not forgotten. Oh my god. Bro, rewind the stream. I literally mentioned you. Come on now. Don't do me like this. It's not bad. You're bored? How can I make this less boring? If you win a 1v1 tomorrow, can you get skin case 3? Maybe. I don't even know if I don't know if I'll play Rivals tomorrow. But if I do, yeah, sure. We can do some 1v1s for skin cases. That'd be fun. You look, you haven't been watching. Dude. I guess it's a dev stream, huh? I don't expect many people to really super enjoy this. But I do appreciate you being here. You can obviously close the stream if you want. You're not obligated to be here. Dude, this is addicting. This is addicting. Oh, this is so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so beautiful, isn't it, chat? It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just want to play with that all day. Best disappearing platforms in the game, guys, right there. There ain't disappearing parts better than that. A staircase? Where's Archimedes? There. What am I doing right now? It's not really what I want. Jesus Christ. That is not what I was going for. What happened? Alright guys, this is your staircase. What are we thinking of the staircase? What the crap, bro? Oh my god. Yeah, no, that is a sight to behold. Christ. You know what? I'm gonna use this redupe plugin. I don't know how it works though. Oh, it's just literally does that. Oh wow, look at that. Oh wow. Oh my god. This is an awesome plugin. Dude, I saw this on Twitter the other day. Hold on, I forgot who made this. I can't believe I forgot who made this. Because he's awesome. Hold on, we gotta shout this guy out. Because this guy makes the best plugins in the game. Are you using Luo VS Code? Yes, I am. Can I see my inventory? Stravent, yes, Stravent. Oh my god, dude, he has so many good plugins. It's not even funny. This guy is the guy. Jeez. That's amazing. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my god. Alright. That's disappearing parts done. Yeah, you can. The way you do it is with Rojo. I I can honestly, I should make like a tutorial on it. That'd be a good tutorial for my channel. It's this right here. All you do is open Roho here. You serve your project, and it connects to some port on your computer or whatever. I don't even know. I don't know the fancy stuff. And you just connect it here, and it automatically updates. So if I make an obstacle here called poop.lua, then poop.lua is going to appear right here. Use Unity and raw C sharp. It's C sharp, right? I don't remember what that is. That's what they call it, C sharp. They don't just call it C. Yeah, C sharp. Okay. I had to double check because I wasn't sure. Okay. What obstacle do we want to do now? Spinners, that's not a script thing. But you know what is something I need to do? There's platforms like here. There's platforms like these that like swing around, and you really don't want those on the server. So we should make some sort of script that replicates them to the client. These are really annoying. When you have like multiple people jumping around on here. Yeah, C++, C sharp, yeah. That's confusing for me. They gotta come up with some other names, man. Dude, right? They just gotta give them different names. We're gonna make something that replicates parts on the client. Client object service. Hold on, let me copy paste a smaller service so I don't have to get rid of so much here. What's up, Parasil? We do a little copy pasting. This game, I'm not gonna make it public yet. We're gonna use a client object tag. I'm gonna create a client object folder as well. Or we'll name it storage. It's gonna be a folder. We'll end the stream off with some rivals here soon. Because it's getting closer to dinner time for me. We eat pretty early at my house. Have you done any other kinds of coding? Yeah, I have. I learned the basics of like HTML, CSS, very basic JavaScript. I learned some Python, but that's about all I know. Roblox is what I'm comfortable with. This is what I've kept going with. Like, if you asked me to make something in Python now, I would honestly be lost. I would still have some learning to do. I just kind of like learned it for funsies, then did nothing with it, and now it's kind of like exited my brain. That makes sense. Make gecko warriors and you start as a tiny gecko, and the more bubs you eat, the different bigger you get, and then become a cow named Tiny Cow. That is so random, but maybe, man. C# a little bit of Python and Java. What do you use it for? What do you use C# for? Oh wait, hold on. Let's do this. New client object. Or we'll call it register new client object. We won't play Rivals for too long, so you're not going to be missing much. For fun. Yeah, that's cool though. It's a good thing to put on a resume, you know, C#. Makes it look like a genius right there. You know, any coding language, even if you're not doing like a tech job. So it's good on the resume. Your big brain. Does always look good. Get tagged. And we'll also want to listen for new tags. Welcome back, Neckerts. You still want to learn HTML? Honestly, you really just need to, if you learn HTML, you really just need to learn the basics, because there's so many tools now. At least just understand what some of it does, and you'll be fine. Same thing with CSS and whatnot. There's just tools like that to create websites. What is that handle? Dude, he's got a gutted handle. Hey, dude, his neck hurts. He's got a hurting neck. What else is there to it? think that's all I need to do. On this side of things, of course. What do I think about using AI for code? Is a bit lazy, but like, yeah, I use AI for debugging. I got caught up here. I haven't done anything with it yet, though. I wanted to set this up and implement it into my workflow. I saw a lot of Roblox devs using that. If you're just using it to generate entire scripts, it's just stupid. You should really just be using it to do, like, I don't know. It should be an assistant, basically. It's an assistant. That's my thought on it. AI has to be used as a assistant, nothing else. I just realized I did not rename this. Not that that matters too much, but I don't think I named that. That'd probably be a good idea to name that, huh? AI takes over, dude. It doesn't matter if you're being nice to it, dude. If AI takes over, it's killing all of us. Humanity's gotta go, dude. It's gonna go Ultron mode on us. It's gonna happen in our lifetime, dude. That's gonna be the end of the world for humanity, at least. We just have to hope it doesn't, but I genuinely do think, like, not to be a conspiracy theorist, AI is gonna take over in our lifetimes. Bro's computer name is TM4. It's because T is my first name. My first name is Tyler. My middle name is Michael, and then FUR is just the first 3 letters of my last name. So that's why it's that. No, it was a good call. You know, actually, my actual computer name is hold on, here, right here. Yeah, the actual computer, it's named Gregory. It told me name my my system or whatever. What do you call it? Name my machine. Told me to name my machine, and I named it Gregory. So this is Gregory. Y'all are watching live from Gregory right now. Jesus. You'd say AI is good for stuff like medical and scientific stuff, along with helping other people, other stuff like take people to jobs as a no. Yeah, I mean, AI's got its uses. We don't hate it. There's no reason to hate it. One of your ex-friends happened to be a stat in a multi-million player game, and I caught him using AI to generate code. And he freaked out and started saying a bunch of false rumors about me to the company. What game was it? I mean, even that though, generating code of AI, like if you understand it, then it's not too bad. You have to understand the code you're writing, of course. Like, it can be used for like annoying tasks, maybe. We don't need that function there. I think that should work fine. So the reason we have this, we take something like this here. This rope swinging platform. Client object here. We test. So, okay, so it doesn't even exist on the server, but it still exists here on the client. Here, let's make it not destroy on the server, just for sake of example here. We don't need it on the server once it's moved in here. Hey, this isn't a random stream. This is a stream by the goat, bro. This is the Tiny Gecko stream you're talking about. He didn't know how to code for all about 2 to 4 weeks before, and suddenly is giving a professional coder. It was some very yeah. I've seen a lot of that recently. I think using AI is fine, but like, dude, if you don't know what you're doing, and you like take some sort of job, and you use AI to do said job, why? Like, you do not deserve to get paid for that. Is mod permanent? Well, it can be taken away. It's permanent as long as you don't abuse your powers, man. If you give me a reason to unmod you, then I would unmod you, but as long as you don't, it's permanent. Give Snowy mod. Should we give Snowy mod, guys? Has Snowy been here around? Has Snowy been around here enough for mod? Have I got any public games? Yes, I do. Holy Christ, dude, I have to scroll forever to get down to my favorites. Oh yeah, my games are in my favorites here. I got Ants. Ants was I wish Ants did better. But it was made like crap. Holy percentage leak. Hold on. It kind of leaked everyone's payouts on Ants. Whoops. Hopefully that's not a problem. Yeah, let's hope they don't care. They shouldn't. It's a game with 30 CCU, dude. It's dead. Come on now. I know some people like to keep their earnings and whatnot private though, so hopefully not a problemo. Okay, we're gonna do this with 2 clients. If people are modding your chat, how do they get modded in your Discord? I don't know. I haven't made anyone mod in my Discord yet, except for VR. I haven't really determined that. I'm gonna do that. Why is that's weird. I guess because he's technically colliding with it here on my end. It's still. Okay, well, the problem is that shouldn't be swinging at all on the other client because it's made here on this client. But I guess it's still detecting the collision with the other player somehow. I don't know, man. I don't know. What would be the cause of that? We can make a client platform collision group, maybe. Let's do that. Can we register a collision group on the client? Because we don't need this on the server. Yo, 10 viewers. Awesome. No, I can't. Okay. This. You go to bed at 8:30? Damn, dude. That's kind of early. So the local character can obviously collide with platforms. cannot collide with other characters, can collide with the local character is what we want to do. And it can't collide with other platforms. And then you know what? This isn't even gonna work because his collision group is still characters on the server. What am I doing, dude? Yeah, it's not gonna work. That doesn't make any sense. Alright, well, you know what we need to do? We need to make a reset on spawn attribute anyway. We'll call it reload on character added. So that just resets it when the character gets back added in the game. So if they like fail a stage, it's not just still swinging around, it resets back to its static state. We don't want to... Okay, we'll do this. Oh wait, this isn't even the right script. We want this in the controller. Good catch by me. You've been here since I wasn't doing anything. That was the start of the stream. Yeah, a lot of you guys have been here from the start. Thank you. If you haven't liked the stream, make sure you like the stream because that does help. And also make sure you're subscribed if you're new here. But I'm pretty sure we have mostly repeat viewers. But if you like the video, it does help a ton. Okay, we'll do you know what? We don't need to be doing all that. Come on now. We can just do this. Yeah, local function, character added. It's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We don't even need the character. Oops. Why are our services below our variables? That's crazy. How long do I think the template will take to complete? I mean, oh, bye, Fritz. Have a good day. Thank you for tuning in to the stream. As always, I appreciate it. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. How do I give perms? I just click on your name and I just give it to you. Right here. I would just add as moderator. So as an example, if I want to make you moderator, I would just click that, standard moderator, and boom, you're now moderator. And I'm not going to get rid of it. So, congratulations, Snowy. You're now mod. How long do I think it'll take until the template's done? To a version that's actually like, we can make a game off of, probably just a few more days. I don't really have an estimate. It depends on how much I work on it. But I want to keep adding on to it. I want to add a lot to it. It's gonna be a great template. A glorious template. I don't know how much I like how I'm doing this right now. What if we do this? I'm gonna make another replica. That's gonna be like our backup. You have a good YT short idea after the template if you start Bob Mob development. I got a couple ideas too. But if you want to send me the idea on Discord, maybe I'll do it. By the way, y'all, if you aren't in the Discord, join the Discord. Streamlabs just sent the invite in the chat. Guys, should we give Ricey Low a mod? I think we banned this guy from the chat, right? Ricey Low. How do I... Hold on. Oh my god, I'm mad with power. Oh my god, I'm mad with power. 1 minute timeout. Ricey Low is on timeout. Oh, it deleted all his messages. Oh, that's kind of funny. Anyways, we got 1 minute without Mr. Ricey Low. You've been here for 2 hours, 7 minutes. Dude, appreciate it. My favorite movie? Honestly, dude? I don't know. Favorite movie? I have a favorite show. I don't know about a favorite movie. Favorite show's got to be Dexter. That was goated. War movies, yeah. Action, comedy, anything like that. That's cool. Are you forgotten? No, KVL, and you are not forgotten. You like a Dexter Original Sin? Resurrection's really good. Resurrection was so good, dude. They renewed it for 2 more seasons too. Let you time out Ricey? Is Ricey even still here? That one person? Yeah. No, I know who he is, by the way. That's why we randomly checked him in timeout instantly. So I did this timeout some random guy. Favorite food? I don't know, I'm gonna give an autistic answer. I'm like the type of person, like, if my type of people didn't exist, the grilled cheese sandwiches sales would just go straight down, you know? I got that type of autism. Yeah. Okay, well, we do need a... Okay, hold on. You keep asking me to give you mod, and then you ask me to remove it. There you go, you're mod. Do I play VR? No, I do not play VR. Oh look, Ricey's back. Hey, everybody spam L Ricey in the chat. We hate Ricey here. L Ricey, L Ricey. Oh, okay, he got timed out again. Let it be known, I did not time you out, Ricey. That was one of the billion mods. Let's create a type for this. L Ricey's in the chat, dude. I love to see it. Are there so many mods? Or there are so many mods? There are a lot of mods. I kind of just modded everyone who's active in the stream, I'm not gonna lie. Oops. Yeah, that should reload the object on character added. I think. Unless I'm missing something. Hold on, it's moving, and if I die... There we go, it resets. Why am I getting Roblox notifications? Turn those off, just so that I don't bother to stream. I'll check that later. Okay, we can stop spamming L Ricey now. Oh my god. Chat is gonna blow up, dude. No more L Ricey, no more L Ricey. We love Ricey, but only on Tuesdays. And today ain't a Tuesday. Oh wait, crap, it's a Tuesday. Actually, okay, we love Ricey, but only on Thursdays. Boom. Okay. So he fell a stage, it resets, so it's not just swinging around still. That's nice. I like that. Unmod him. Dude, oh my god, okay, Ricey is just gonna be on a permanent timeout. Hold on now. Jesus, dude. How do I remove him from timeout? I only have the option to put him on timeout. Good night. Oh, you're leaving, Nick? Alright. See ya, Nick. Thank you for hopping in. As always, I appreciate it. Jesus. Can I not click on that? Unperm Snowy. Guys, should we get a poll up in here? Can I create a YouTube poll? I'm gonna create a YouTube poll. Hold on. We're making a poll. Snowy, your fate is gonna be determined by a poll. Hold on now. Where do I create the poll? Oh, view in live control room. Hurt. All right. Turn my display back on. How to create a YouTube poll. Click create post. I don't want on stream. Use the live chat feature. Oh, right here. Start a poll. All right, boys. we're getting a poll here. Should oh, Jesus. Okay, should we unmod Snowy? Snowy, your fate's gonna be left up to a poll, man. The poll is up. Cast your votes. Do we unmod Snowy? Oh my god. We're leaning very far into the yes. 6-7% on the yes. Oh no, Snowy. It's not looking good. 6 votes. I think that's your fate sealed, Snowy. Hi, KB. Hi, dude. I think KB wants to say hi, guys. Okay. Do we let Ricey take the spot? Or should we put that in a poll too? Snowy, you're gonna have to earn your mod back. The community has spoken. The chat has spoken. Okay, hold on. Mod Ricey. Boom, Ricey pull. Sorry, Snowy, chat spoke. Okay, Jesus, dude. Oh my god. I'm assuming the one yes is Ricey himself. Oh, we got two yeses for Ricey. One man in the chat's feeling favorable. AB said Ricey should be mod. Alright, well it's 40-60, so no mod for Ricey it looks like. We got too many mods in the chat anyway, dude. It's just all blue. It's just straight blue in the chat. Why did you time out him? Is Snowy on timeout? Who timed out Snowy? 86,000 seconds? Aw. Let's maybe not. Hold on now. How do I untime him out? Oh my god, dude, this is gonna drive me insane. How to untime out someone. YouTube live chat. Ricey deserves a say, he says, but you got your say. You got your say in the poll. Just everyone else voted no. YouTube settings, community. Hold on, Snowy. We're gonna rescue you from purgatory. I assume it's this, right? I can see moderators. Where the hell do I see people who are timed out? Settings in the left-hand menu. That's where we're at, settings. Select the community tab. Oh, it's right here. Find the user. Okay, well this is comments, dude. Dude, AI overview is lying for me right now, dude. Is Snowy in purgatory for the next freaking 24 hours? Unmute someone. This isn't gonna be what I'm looking for at all. Jesus Christ. Stupid video popped up again. Fucking OG crew video, dude. That thumbnail is awful. I cannot display that on my channel. What do we do about Snowy, dude? I don't know how to untime him out! Snowy, are you here? What if I mod you? Wait, hold on, I'm modding Snowy again. Snowy, try chatting. See if mod overwrites it. Oh, wait, hold on. Timeout. 1.
Dude, this is gonna make me go insane.
I was getting close to ending stream too. Jesus Christ, dude. Okay, well, I guess Snowy's on. I guess Snowy's on timeout for the next 24 hours. Sorry, Snowy. Lord, forgive us. All my troubles will be gone if I give you a mod. I somehow don't trust that, honestly. I somehow don't trust that. Oh, man. Alright, well, we're gonna end stream soon, so we'll do Rivals for a little bit, because I said I would do Rivals. He's timed out for freaking forever. Well, he's not gonna be able to chat until next stream, because I don't know how to fix it. Let's push this, and we'll do a little bit of Rivals. Hold on, guys. We saw a peak there. Where was today's picks? Dude, should we hit up Sesame Street Neighborhood Adventures? I think we may have to hit up Sesame Street Neighborhood Adventures, yeah. I'm joking. We're not doing that. All right, we're gonna hit up Rivals. The game should be above display. You know what's interesting? Is Roblox, it doesn't count as a game in OBS. There it is. Why is it all white? There it is. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of Rivals before we end stream. But we're gonna end here soon, guys. I need keys. Maybe. I have to do my daily tasks here. We're just gonna do a couple games, guys. We're not gonna do this for long. Why is it all black? Oops. Hold on, Watermelon King's gonna kill me, but that's fine. Or not. Accidentally just checked a nade. Let's do this. Ow. Was tapped out. Alright, he's up one. He got a free kill. Alright, that's cheap. That's cheap. The freeze gun's cheap. Maybe if you don't explode my chat with 5 trillion messages, maybe. Ooh, I actually beat that. I beat the broken sniper. Do you?
Nice. GG.
Can you get keys? I don't know, man. Can I jump up this? Can't. Yeah, that might be goaded. I saw you, dude. KB, are you in the game? Oh, crap. Dude, y'all see that evasion? Damn it. Oh, dude, that would have been so good. That would have been so lit. Oh, congratulations on the verification price. They did verify you. That's lit. Where are you? I don't like that. I don't see you. Oh. Ah, god damn it. Oh, yeah. Nice try, buddy. You got toxic. Yeah, I got toxic. Okay. I'm gonna be mad if he wins this. Get away from me. I know you like your knife. Get away from me. Dude, it's so stupid. I don't even know what is that tech, dude? He just starts sliding backwards and knifes me. El Ricey? Dude, that was like 3 years ago. That was a good timeout for 10 seconds. That was like a first proper mod action right there. I kind of want to try a different gun. I keep using the same stuff. Holy jump scare! I like looked away from my computer and I just got murdered. Alright, so this guy's good at the game, which scares me. Dude, he's hopping around like a bunny. We lost this game. We lost this game. K noob might be K pro. Get away from me. Does knife insta kill from like the back? Is that how that works? Hold on. Damn it. Yeah, this guy's really good. This guy's really, really good at the game. There's a chainsaw! He has a chainsaw! A gunblade? Dude, that's crazy. They got some crazy weapons in this game. Are you a good mod? Well, yes and no. You did time out Snowy for 24 hours. I don't know about that one. And so Snowy's stuck in purgatory. Sorry, Snowy, if you're still here. Which I assume you are, because I'm about a 1v1 here right now. Or I say Bowda, as we're in the 1v1. Oh my god, I just chucked a nade on myself. Hate. How are you not dead? GG. He did only say one time. All I do is be spamming. Only do it is spam. Ow! I've seen you. That was scary. Shooters are so funny, man, because what person is casually able to absorb that many bullets and just still jump around perfectly fine? We love shooter logic. Dude, I just freaking slid into my own grenade. I'm so bad, dude. Guys, dude, a gust of wind is gonna kill me right now, dude. The wind touches me in the wrong way and I'm dead. Oh, that's the one. I got the jump on him.
What is that? He's got the bazooka.
The bazooka that hit me grenades here, bro. Damn. I gotta learn the knife tech. Get away from me. I don't like you. You're scary with your knife. Don't touch me. There we go. Dude, what are you chucking at me? Oh! Yeah, please don't spam the chat. Hairszilla, you're awesome. You're here a lot, but chat literally, I like it. It makes it unreadable. Just put it all in one message. All right. Well, they just kicked my butt. I was doing good at the start, and I just kind of like locked out. But yeah, I do have to end stream now, guys. We didn't get. I wanted to get at least 5 duels in, but God, we really didn't have time for anything, huh? But no, it's dinner time for me. We did a little bit of rivals. I wish we could have done more though. Well, we'll do rivals again maybe tomorrow, hopefully. We won't do Minecraft tomorrow. We'll do dev stream and rivals. How about that? Add you? All right, I'll add you. I will. All right. You're K Noob, right? Is that you? I don't remember what your username is. I'm just assuming that's you because it starts with K. I'll scroll up and find it. Well, I'll figure it out. All right. On Discord, okay. I'll add you on Discord. I'll scroll up in chat and find it because I remember you did say it. I remember you did say your username. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. We'll stream again tomorrow. As always, I appreciate it. Goodbye.